Hello my friend, have you ever been in a situation when you have, for example, a 5-minute video and you found the perfect music on the background, but the track lists like 2 or 3 minutes and you need to somehow to extend it to the 5 minutes without noticeable cut? For those situations, Premiere Pro added a new tool called Remix tool. Let me show you how it works. So here in Premiere Pro I already prepared a music track. It lists for the 4 minutes and 4 seconds. And I already pressed the marker, so let's imagine that our video needs to be 6 minutes, so we need the track that will list 6 minutes. To do that we need to use Remix tool. You could find it in the tools, for example. I usually don't use it because I'm using the hotkeys for everything. So here you have Remix tool, and we just drag the audio track where we want it to finish. So he will make some analyzing. Actually, before Remix tool was only available in Adobe Audition. Later on it's migrated from Audition to the Premiere. So right now we have it on Premiere Pro as well. As you see, we have the track, it's almost 6 minutes. You could use a Remix tool not only for extending the music, you could as well use it for shortening the music. Basically just drag in the opposite side, and Remix tool will make all the work. Thank you for watching, don't forget to leave a like. See you on the next video.